Hello students, today I am going to solve this question from exercise 6.2. Question 4, PQ parallel to ST. This is PQ and this is parallel to ST. Clear? It is visible in your figures. To find out angle QRS, first we have to draw a parallel line QM, that is PM parallel to ST. First, draw PM parallel to ST. So, this angle, it means angle QMS is equal to angle TSM is equal to 130 degree. Why? Because these two lines PM and ST are parallel, so alternate interior angle, that is QMS and TSM, both are alternate interior angle, and we know that alternate interior angles are equal when these two lines are parallel. Now, angle QMR is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degree. This is due to linear pair. These two angles, the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So this angle is 180 minus 130. And angle RQM is equal to 180 minus 110 degree. This is also like this. This angle is given angle PQR, so angle RQM or MQR is equal to 180 minus 110. This is only due to linear pair. So it is 70 degree. Now, in triangle QMR, angle QMR plus angle MRQ plus angle RQM is equal to 180 degree. This is due to angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. We know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So these two angles are just we have found before. This implies angle QMR. QMR is equal to 50 degree plus MRQ angle MRQ we have to find out, and plus RQM 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is 120 degree plus angle MRQ बराबर 180 degree. This implies angle MRQ बराबर 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. MRQ एंगल MRQ बराबर एंगल QRS, MRQ is equal to QRS is equal to 60 degree. This is the answer. The angle of QRS or is equal to 60 degree, which we have solved here. Clear? This is the accurate solution of this question, which is on your blackboard. Now this is question number 6 and question is on your blackboard. This is the figure. AB parallel to CD. It is given that this line AB is just parallel to CD and angle APQ is equal to 50 degree. Angle PRD is equal to 127 degree. Then X and Y is equal to 40. This is X and this is Y. So, चूंकि angle APQ is equal to angle PQR due to alternate interior angle. This angle APQ is equal to PQR. This X is equal to this. So APQ is 50 degree, it is given, and angle PQR is equal to X. This implies X is equal to 50 degree. This is the first solution of your X. The value of X is 50 degree. Now we have to find out Y. Again AB parallel to CD. So this angle APR is equal to angle PRD. This is also alternate interior angle because this line is parallel to this line. Again, angle APR is equal to angle PRD. So APR, this implies angle APQ plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRD, and APQ is equal to 50 degree plus QPR is equal to Y, which we have to find out, is equal to PRD. PRD is equal to 127 degree. It is given in your question. This implies Y is equal to 127 minus 50 degree, and this is 77. So Y, the value of Y is 77 degree. Thus X is equal to 50 degree and Y is equal to 77 degree. This is the answer. These are the value of X and Y from this figure. This is the question number 5.